Hey guys, Greg with Planet Green Zen, and thank you for coming to my channel. Now for the people who've never been here, what I tend to do on this channel is just inspire people in 5 main areas of life, which are mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. And I truly believe that if we all have a holistic yin-yang balance of these main areas in life, we can live in true peace together as one human unit. We can literally eliminate hunger, poverty, famine, jealousy, greed, and we would have more abundance, be all wealthy and healthy together. And again, just live on this planet, enjoy every part of this globe, enjoy all the foods and cultures and traditions, and be able to just travel wherever we want. And again, this place is big enough for all of us to enjoy the world. So if you guys do like my messages, please subscribe to the channel, please like the videos. Also, please hit the bell notification so you can get notified when new videos come out. And please comment below and let me know what you think on these topics. Today's topic is actually on how to effectively learn new things, because that's a really good topic, because they always say you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but that's actually false. You can teach an old dog new tricks. As long as they have the mindset to be able to learn, you can teach them. So what you want to ask yourself is, how can you learn something new? Are you too old? Are you just too tired? Are you too worn out? Are you just don't have enough juice left in the tank to try and learn something new? But you can. Again, you change your mind set and you can accomplish whatever you want. Again, like I always say, I repeat things a lot on these channels because I wanted to stick in with you guys, and again, you'll start to repeat it. But again, Napoleon Hill said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. And Earl Nightingale said, success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Pretty much they mean the same thing. So if you think it, you can manifest it into reality. So how would you learn something new? Good question. Hey, read about it. That's how you learn something new. Read about it. Again, I have a video called The 3 E's to Success. Go ahead and check that video out. And pretty much what you need to do is examine whatever it is that you want to learn about, educate yourself on it, and then execute. Take action. That's how you learn something new. You see something, let's say you want to learn how to, I don't know, rollerblade for the first time. You've never done it. So again, watch a few videos on it, maybe read up on it. But again, the real work starts when you actually take action. So you can read a book all day, you can listen to audios and podcasts all day, you can go around people who are actually rollerblading all day long. But if you're not actually going to the driver's seat yourself and learning how to do it, you would never learn how. You have the know-how, you can actually maybe coach other people to do it, but you've never been in that driver's seat. So what you want to do is take action. So you examine it, educate yourself on what it is, and then execute. And that's how you learn something new. Again, it's pretty simple. It sounds simpler than what it really, you may think it sounds more simple than what it is, but it's not. Again, if you think it's harder, it's going to be harder on yourself. If you think it's easy, it will be easy. So that's how you learn something new. Let's say you want to learn how to, I don't know, assemble a bicycle. So let's say a computer. You want to build your own computer, and you're not tech savvy. You have never built a computer before. Again, educate yourself on it, examine it, watch videos on it, and then you start to do the work yourself, because that's where actually you will start to get that real sense of knowing what you're doing. The real challenges and questions will arise that you've probably never been covered in a book or even on a video, and then you'll be able to do it. So that's how you learn something new, and then you just build on it every day. You constantly work at it. Maybe try and time yourself to do it faster. Maybe you want to assemble your computer, instead of taking 3 weeks, you could take 3 days, and instead of 3 days, you could do it in 3 hours. Again, just always challenge yourself to get better and better and better, and never stop learning. Just never. If you're 75, you're a multimillionaire, you live off of your residual income on the beaches of the world, you literally are living a life that most people barely even dream of because they think it's not possible, you still should never stop learning. You still are not, no one's perfect, or no one's at the end, ever. You just want to keep learning yourself, keep challenging yourself. If you live that life, that's awesome, amazing. Maybe again, provide valuable content for other people, and teach them how to do what you did, or let them know your story, and maybe you will inspire them to strive for that type of life that you are living right now. So that's all. It's very simple, guys. Also, what I'm going to start doing and try to be more consistent is actually leave you guys with a quote for the day, because I truly believe that people from the past have all this experience and all these different experiences and situations with their whole life, that literally through 1 or 2 of their quotes, it's like you can take that and actually start to get better at life. So you just want to listen to what people have said, and then either do it or not do what the quote is. You just want to break it down and really understand it. So today's quote is from I think it's Bertrand Russell. Apologize if I mispronounced that name or butchered it, but this quote is, again, I'm kind of paraphrasing it, but it goes, people would rather die than think. In fact, they do. Again, I'll repeat that again. People would rather die than think. In fact, they do. Something to think about, guys. Like I stated before on last video, or a couple videos ago, Earl Nightingale said if you were to ask the kind of person what they're thinking about, most people would be silent because most people do not think. And that is so true. And again, it's not disrespect for anyone or trying to be rude. It's just reality. Sometimes that they say the truth hurt, but the truth shall set you free. We live in a society where we want to keep everything cocoon and apologize for everything and just not offend anyone. But again, some people just take that to advantage, and they say everything offends them, and they want to post all these negative blogs or comments or try to sue people. But again, our society is getting to a point where we need to all wake up and actually take action. So again, because think about it, if people are broke, frustrated, whatever, overweight, they are in a job they hate, they're in a situation they don't like, they can easily get out of that situation. It may take some time, but you can do it. You just got to think and put down all the distractions and formulate your plan and your blueprint. You'll be able to get yourself to any life you want. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, again, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share the video, comment below and let me know what are you doing to help yourself think more effectively and efficiently. And do you believe that, only if you had a question, do you believe that it's true that most people don't think? If you guys have been unplugged from the Matrix, you know what I'm talking about. But the people who are not been unplugged, those are the people who are kind of live that mundane program life, and they really just go through the motions without really thinking about anything. So hope you guys did enjoy this video, and you guys have a great day.